Even pros need instructions. For expansion joint covers, we've got you covered. For best results, ensure the substrate is clean and level. Cut frame to length. Keep level to the edge. Drill anchor holes using the frame as the template. Anchor frame to slab. To connect additional frames, insert grooved end of alignment pins into the slots. Mark turn bar locations on frames using center plate as a template. Slide turn bars into frames, ensuring turn bars are oriented in the same direction. Place the center plate over the frames, aligning the turn bar holes with each center plate hole. Partially fasten the turn bars to the center plate. Tighten when all fasteners are in place. Tighten screw heads until flush with the plate, then give an additional quarter turn. For additional lengths, insert grooved end of alignment pins into the slots. Insert gaskets and ensure they are flush with the frame. Mark and drill holes using the center plate. Fasten the plate in place and insert gaskets. That's it, you're done.